Hey guys, it's Joey Taylor with Taylor Heating. Today we're going to be talking about air filters within your HVAC system. It's extremely important to make sure your filters are clean, and a lot of people don't understand or know where to locate their filters and how often to change them. The filters should be changed at least every 6 months, and preferably more than that. One of the #1 questions we receive when we're at a customer's house is, where is my filter and how do I change it? So there's several places that your filter can be, and here's the most common areas. #1 would be inside of a filter box. So if you look inside of any kind of box of ductwork, you'll find some sort of a panel like this where the filter could be inside. Another location of your filter could be actually inside the furnace itself. To do this, you would take the doors off and look up inside of the furnace, and sometimes the filter will sit up inside the furnace. You could even have a V shape of 2 filters up there. Another location of a filter, if you don't find it inside of your ductwork or inside of your furnace, could be what's called a filter back grill that would be located inside the house in one of your return air grills. To locate this, try to find one of these grills on a side wall or in a ceiling, and to access this filter, you would take these notches down and slide this open. The filter sits up inside of that unit. If you have any questions or concerns with the air filtration in your furnace, feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to help you out. We also offer a preventative maintenance tune-up program where we can come out and take care of the filters for you. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and also check us out on social media where we give videos, tips, and tricks often. We also offer filters. Geez, I was so close to finishing it.